Okay, it's time for yet another long division video. This one's going to be about numbers with two-digit divisors, so divisor being the number out here in front. We're still going to follow the same steps. I just want to let you see what that looks like, as it might feel a little different to start off. So we start still with divide, right? How many 21s can go into 2? That doesn't work. How many 21s can go into 25? 1. That goes on top just like normal. Multiply. 1 times 21. Subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Okay, now we're back to divide. How many 21s can go into 44? That would be 2. Multiply. 2 times 21. Subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. How many 21s can go into 21? 1. Multiply. 1 times 21. Subtract. Nothing else to bring down, so we're going to circle our quotient, 121. Okay, fairly straightforward. Let's try it on this one. 4,229 divided by 20. So how many 20s can go into 4? Doesn't work. How many 20s can go into 42? That would be 2. And I'm writing that above the 2 because I'm looking at 42 as an entire number here. Okay, multiply. 2 times 20, 40. Subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. So I'm back to divide. How many 20s can go into 22? That would be 1. 1 times 20 is 20. Subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide. How many 20s can go into 29? 1. 1 times 20. Subtract. Nothing else to bring down, so my remainder is 9. So sometimes people kind of panic here thinking that remainder is too big. The way to know if your remainder is too big or not, your remainder should never be bigger than your divisor. If this remainder is bigger, so if it's bigger than 20 or larger I should say, that means that you've made a mistake, you need to go back and find it. But having a 9 for a remainder is okay, because my divisor is 20. Let's try one more example. Let's try 1,204 divided by 31. Okay, so I'll divide. How many 31s can go into 1? Doesn't work. How many 31s into 12? Doesn't work. How many 31s go into 120? See how I just keep adding one more number? Okay, 31 can go into 120 3 times. If you didn't know that off the top of your head, you could work that off to the side and come back. Okay, 3 times 31 is 93. And now I have to subtract, and I'm just going to subtract like normal. Alright, that leaves me with 27. Now I'm going to bring it on down and bring it on back. Whoa, big number, right? Big number. How many 31s can go into 274? If I don't know that off the top of my head, I can use an easy close to number for 31 to try to check. So I know an easy close to number to 30 would be, or 31 would be 30. So if I count it by 30s until I get close, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, and after that we'd hit 270. So it's about 8 or 9 times, okay? I know this number is higher, so I'm actually going to try the 8 first, and if that doesn't work, then I'll try the 9. We're going to try 8. 8 times 31, okay? If you're not sure how to do that, you can either use traditional or box method off to the side. I will show you both. Okay, there's traditional, or if you want to do box. Okay, either way I get 248. That's what I write down here because that's what 8 times 31 is. We're on multiply. Okay, now that we've done that, we're on subtract, normal subtraction. Nothing else to bring down and bring back. So this is our remainder. Again, I know some of you are kind of panicking. Remember, the remainder is okay as long as it's smaller than the divisor. Okay, you might want to try working these examples just a couple of times to get the hang of it, but this is kind of as challenging as we're probably going to see this year for long division. I wish you luck as you try these, and let me know if I can help you out.